Alright, what time are they now? Evening people, big up on yourself and welcome back to the channel. As you come, leave a like on the video and subscribe for your first time. So, all the Richard Brown films and movie lovers people there, I think at Benta River somewhere. I'm not even call this one behind the scenes, you know. We're just there at the river and I'm bringing her along with me. So, we have Curious up there, so Richard, Tori, two other young ladies. We're gonna talk to the people up there, so, and then we go down on the riverside. Sabron.
Yeah.
Can I have a minute?
Oh.
Come, talk to me. What go on?
As always, it could become repetitive. What's the word?
Hello.
That word is very
Hi.
twisting.
Yes,
That word is very complicated. Alright, so yeah. After a while, it's come like the same thing I do over and over in terms of speeches, but we always do a brand new movie, so this is nothing different. Just do a brand new movie. That one I can have a little different concept where I try to highlight Jamaica in all facets. From the negative side to the positive side, plus the beauty.
That's
Yeah.
How hold this over here, so? Bunny down flat. What you have to say to the people, man, I'm a general?
Just stay tuned,
Just stay tuned.
Talk to normal boss. One normal man.
Normal boss.
Normal,
Alright, my general. And good evening. We're not properly introduced.
Hi, my name is Shawang.
Shawang?
Yes.
Serious?
Yes.
Can I play with you?
No, should we say it's Shawang?
She's Chinese?
my mother was an Indian and my father was a Chinese.
Alright, so hold on, I'm not cutting no short shot. But yeah, the move you're doing some bit of acting, right? So you know nothing about the role you do, you can't tell about it?
No.
So as a matter of fact, how you and Richard Brown are Curious? How the link up going? What happened?
It's through her.
Hi, my name is Akin.
I'm Amber.
And so how the link up going?
You know, we met a year ago, a few months before my birthday. We did a music video together, and then he liked my acting, he liked my skills, you know. He said, listen, you're...
So you know what kind of role you play?
Yes,
Tell about that now.
I'm the boss.
You're the boss? What kind of business you run?
I'm a pimper.
And may I assume, say, beautiful Miss here is one of the
That's my gals.
Rastafari. Alright, we're going down the river, you know.
Okay.
Normal boss, big up yourself. Big up on yourself, Spoony. So, yeah, people, that's that for up that side. And yeah, we have a public report there with we too. We'll chat to him. We'll chat to recording artist, Mr. Public Report. Alright, sir. What going?
I'm there, you know.
What happened? Yeah, I can move over there though.
River vibes, you know what I mean?
River vibes.
Update to the public report.
Hold on, no, man.
Yeah.
Me say if I act there, actor.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Zine. What kind of role I play?
You know, so not even know, but we have to work with it.
I miss.
See that?
Hello.
How you so busy?
We haven't gone out of Botano.
I want to tell them,
Yeah, we're not done with it, man. Tell you what I'm going.
Especially I'm going to give you.
Step on them ball.
Shoot.
Heartless and cold.
Heartless and cold.
Story.
So, public reporter, you say you act today?
Yeah, man, actually I go on today, you know what I mean? Like, new thing, new vibes. Check it out, you know what I mean? Like, go nice. Right?
Oh, Zine.
Right?
Right.
Oh, Jano. Hello.
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm not record that. I'm not record that. I'm not. No.
Record it.
No. Come tell me about your movie where you act.
Well, thank you all for subscribing and watching the movie with me. I love you all. I've been seeing the comments.
So see people now ask me for interview or how long. She not even want to interview. See them gone. Mr. Brown there same way. So just be a creatives out here.
like grab up slow though.
Out of Benta River. Be creative. So, me make gonna get. Oh, am I going to scene? So, may I get more and moving? No, no. Right now, no. No star. Camera girl. Jano, I might have to cut it. My problem, I forgot to cut the video now. Yeah, probably make some money. I'm going to pick up after that. More than catch behind this one. So, I'm going to get some nice video. I don't know, but something not going to happen to the video.
No, eh? See your boy, see your girlfriend here, look. Eh? My girlfriend, hold on.
Is that when the ending I move with curious?
Bring it. So, you record?
Boyfriend from?
Hold on. Bring your boyfriend from?
I don't understand, I was just sold.
So, they're not ready yet, so we gotta get some more behind the scene.
You understand what one?
Or is he my boyfriend? Which one?
No, well, I'm near your man. I'm near your man. You sell it, Juta win you.
So you know that
Then Juta control you. And then
And
now
then
you
you
meet
sell
him
me,
on the
so me not
beach.
no man.
You meet him on the beach now. Yeah, so at that time now you start move up on the boat. And he fall in love with you.
Okay.
Yeah, he fall in love.
They fall in love too?
Well, she on the beach at us, you know.
Hustle.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
so like he come and he get to a little, he just do a little business and
budget
fall in
meeting,
love.
a budget meeting.
Budget meeting.
Yeah, financial, you know what I mean?
Do a little budget meeting and fall
Worry
in love.
about me in a cleaner, you know what I mean? I'll be there.
Nothing is wrong with that.
Classifieds. I'll be there.
It's a normal nigger situation.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Rent a jet today. Rent a jet today. Make sure you pay.
I rent a jet for you. I rent a jet.
Yeah, man, rent a
You want to
jet.
rent a jet? No, the thing when you say rent a jet, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
What?
So, but I mean up on the beach I said.
But then I'm only person up on the beach.
Dread.
Yeah.
You have the dread and my rent. Oh, okay. That's the word.
Yeah.
Dreadlocks don't live in a
You
tenement.
want buy dread. You want buy dread. Alright.
Alright, let's go, let's
What do
go.
you mean, Jota?
Curious.
Teacher.
She's young.
Tell her it's boring. It's kind of like
How the
done.
vibes? How the vibes? How the vibes? How is the vibes?
There's a lighter auto.
So the river over that side, I don't get a chance to go over there as yet, but definitely I'll get some shots over the river. It look nice and tranquil.
Yeah, man, so make sure. You know, can't keep on hearing Curious.
You know, you can't take it off in that movie.
Yeah, exactly.
You can't take it off in that movie.
You can't keep on the ring, broken. Yeah, broken. Yes, so it's still on. Yeah. You know, Alton?
Let's welcome, you know, there. We have Benta River.
Yeah.
And we are shoot a new movie named Sweet Jamaica, where we are going round Jamaica with a bag of different people. Virus, public reporting, live and in charge, a bag of people are doing
They're not ready. So they're gonna look down at the river. They're not ready. Alright, some people down there, so they feel like we invade them privacy, so nah go down. I don't basically see river, that's not true. Basically see. Bombastic, fantastic, really fantastic.
When the smoke clears and the battle has been won. Choo, boy, Lord has been
Look.
You see what I see.
Yo, you may say. You may say the Hakeem Lawrence. I mean I say a Jutta rhyme. I mean I represent it for Akeem Lawrence. Star of a shine with a decent punchline. Heidi, the son of a different Messiah, thought I told you that Akeem Lawrence is lively, step aside. Heidi, I me sing Contangaros like how the killer cross. Fix up the place when Akeem them a pass. Bang bang fi bust when you hear the boom blast. Boy run under with them figure mass. Bang, enough for them violate. What's the cause? Bad man catch them in the bar when them a floss. Bang bang bang, mash buckle on the glass. Me Contangaros, Akeem them Contangaros like how the killer angry. Lion partner spanky. Any boy violate this order. Excuse me. Excuse me. Boy, I always...
Ungla Jamaiwood City, anywhere which part it go. Jutta rhyme that people.
Ready, ready.
Oh, really? Them out down.
Who else gets you videos like these men? I'm some of the interview you. First question, what is your name?
You can't interview me, must split friend.
What is your name?
Tara.
So there, I never say how long I want interview, so ask her name, interview done. Tara. Yeah, big up on yourself. I don't know how much more video footage I can get now because I'm going to start shooting now. And we only have 2 hands, so later.